Today we're going to show how to connect our Ferrari CarPlay module to the head unit used on Ferrari Portofino and GTC4. This one is a Portofino. So what we do is to connect to the original cable of the car and to the head unit. Here we have two antennas and they are both exactly the same. Then here we have four different connectors. Let's start from the main connector for power. This one over here has several wires we don't need to care about, and this one, just make sure it's connected like this. Then it will be all you need to do. When disconnected, it looks like this. Just make sure they are connected together, and then that's all. Then the next part you will find on the cable is this protocol box. You will find it like this, just connect to this cable. It needs to match, so there will be no problem. And that's all. Then the last connector on this cable is the one you see over here, the black connector on the right. This one is the one that comes with the CarPlay module. The original one from the car is here. Originally you will find it on the head unit, of course. So disconnect it from the car and then connect it to your male CarPlay provided cable. Okay, so to the female of the original connector. After you fit it in, just plug it, and now it's okay. Plug it okay. Second connector is for the USB. Actually, this one doesn't plug anywhere in the car. You will see here those two connectors which you don't need to care about. And the third connector is for the USB female when you need to make CarPlay by wire, or if you want to update the CarPlay module in the future. So keep it somewhere you can reach. Third point is this black and purple connector. The black and purple connector just go directly as a pink connector to the head unit. This kind. Then on the head unit you can see it's the same color over here. So we just plug it in directly. And that's the last one we need to connect it directly to the head unit. The last connector we have is blue and purple. The blue and purple is connected like this. Now this is the this one, this in pink, is the original connector that goes to the head unit, to the car. We just connect ours over here. And then we are good to go. So basically this one should go over here. Instead it will be going here to ours, which goes to the CarPlay module, and it will go out as the wire that we see before over here. That's all for the installation. Next step is to just take the CarPlay module, put it together with the head unit inside over here in the footwear rest, and then we can just test the CarPlay module. Hello, today we are going to test our CarPlay module on a Ferrari Portofino. So about the Portofino, one very interesting thing is this small console over here that we can use to enter inside the CarPlay module. So if we do a long press, it will get us into the menu of CarPlay. As you see, now it is showing that we are not connected, but this is our CarPlay module. And we can move around with the controller, moving up and moving down. We can switch into the position, and then if we press it, we can go in and out. We can also go out of here using the back button over here, or pressing for a long time over here. So let's try both options. And all those options work either to get in or to get out, so you have three ways in total. Now everything starts from connecting our phone to the Bluetooth of the car. In this way we can use the microphone of the car as well as the audio of the car without even needing the CarPlay. So we go to settings, then Bluetooth. Then on the Bluetooth we want to add a device, and then we start to let this device, which is Ferrari Portofino, be discoverable. Then we go to the phone and we turn on Bluetooth. start to see if we can find the Ferrari Portofino. Okay, here we found our phone, and on the phone we are still looking for the car. So now we found iPhone 15 here, so we just press here, then it will connect to our phone, and we connect also from our phone, and now we have it. We allow synchronization of contacts. Okay, successful. Now next step. So now we have normal audio. What we need to do now is to activate CarPlay. So for CarPlay it's not that different. We go into the menu of CarPlay, select Bluetooth, and find 1B0E. In this moment the phone is already recognized, but let's start from 0. So select auto connect and auto answer, then we need to find 1B0E on the phone. Okay, then select 1B0E from the devices found on the phone, and it will start connecting CarPlay over here. Then we need to give authorization to the phone, and now we are connected in this moment. So let's give it a try. Hey Siri, call 133-8183-6397.
Calling +1 338 183 6397.
And here we go. So phone call works and the Siri works normally. Next step is to try Siri by the voice button. Send me to Shanghai.
Getting directions to Shanghai.
Okay, so it works over here as well. Another way to use Siri is this one. Open messages. So this is also an option. Another important thing that we need to remember when we use CarPlay is that not only we can control it from the touch screen and from the controller over here on behind, but we can also use the buttons that are available for the passenger display. So from the passenger display, for example, we can change music. First of all, let's open music. Hey Siri, open QQ Music. Then we want to make sure that the audio is a little bit higher than this. If the audio comes from the phone just like now, then we need to go back to the Ferrari system, and we should go to the settings on music here, and we select here. Then we will have the choice of Bluetooth unless our phone is not connected to Bluetooth. If that's the case, then we need to just connect again from the phone to the car as Ferrari Portofino. Okay, so now we are connected. We go to the main menu, music, and then we select over here Bluetooth. Then, even when we are in the CarPlay menu, we still have the access to the Ferrari original menu over here, so we can change music if we want. So although this one doesn't use CarPlay at all, but we have at the same time the chance to control from here.